I just want to take a moment to thank all of you guys. We finally hit 500 subscribers, and this journey has just been so much fun, and I can't even believe we made it this far in such a short time. And all of it is thanks to you guys. You guys have given me a sense of purpose. You guys have given me a voice, and ultimately have helped bring a little bit more meaning to my life. Because now I have something to look forward to, and I have something that I look forward to growing. And just the love, the overwhelming positive feedback has been amazing. And thank you guys so much for everything. So in celebration of the 500 subscriber milestone, I actually went and made a purchase on Huckberry, not as a sponsor, not as a partner, not as a friend, but as a civilian, as a regular person. They don't know who I am, I don't know anybody there, but I've just been seeing Huckberry all over Raw Denim YouTube, all over Menswear TikTok, and all of these people do these crazy unboxings, and I just want to see what a nice, simple, calm purchase, nothing too high, nothing too cheap, is actually like when receiving a package from Huckberry. And I just want to simulate the experience that you're gonna get if you purchase from them as well. So this is gonna be the authentic unboxing experience. All right, let's go. All right, Huckberry, let's see what you got. I have never struggled to open a bag more than this bag. About everything. So what I got here was one of the 316 leisure shirts that just came out, and it actually has a really nice applique on it. Oh, this is interesting. I think this is the logo. It's like a cutout of the Huckberry logo. Oh, this is great. They actually got a return label. Oh, this is the packing list. I think they actually pay for returns. Yeah, I think that's what this is. Yeah, free and easy returns. That's amazing. You know what? I feel like it used to be common practice that a lot of brands would do free returns and all of them stopped doing it. But Huckberry actually gives free returns, which is amazing. That's pretty cool. You also get a nice thank you card. Oh, this is actually really nice. They actually have a nice little story of how Huckberry started, and they have a nice little thank you and a signature from both of the co-owners. That's pretty cool, and it also has a QR code scanner, so this way you could read their story, which I think adds a really nice personal touch. That's pretty cool. I mean, what more can you really ask for? It's the right item, it's the right size. I didn't really make a huge purchase. They gave me a nice thank you card, a packing slip with the return label. That to me is just enough for a purchase of one shirt. Now this is the 316 leisure shirt, and it's actually a 100% hemp body with a cotton and linen blend applique. I guess I should probably review this too, right? I'm actually gonna end up doing the review in another video because I don't want this video to be too long and drawn out, and some people who are interested in 316 might not necessarily be interested in the whole Huckberry experience.
Thousands of tears later.
Alright guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. We have a little bit of a situation. So basically, I wore the shirt and I wanted to do the review on it. And after I hand washed it, one of the seams on the applique started to fray, and the fabric started to completely rip off the applique part, only on one side of the shirt. The other side was completely fine. So what I had to do was I actually had to take advantage of that free return, free exchange policy and speak to Huckberry's customer service. Listen, these things happen. It really wasn't Huckberry's fault, and I really doubt that this is consistent with the 316 products. I just think it might have been a manufacturer defect. I mean, come on, shit happens. I wasn't mad about it. I wasn't stressed. I just wanted the shirt back. I didn't want a refund. So I went and called Huckberry, and I have to tell you, it was the absolute easiest, smooth, and streamlined return and exchange process that I had ever gone through for any clothing item. They picked up almost immediately. I was on the phone with someone who was competent, who knew exactly what to do. He said, all right, just send me a couple of pictures and we'll start getting an exchange going for you. And it was as easy as that. And almost immediately, I got the email for an order confirmation for my exchange shirt. Honestly, it was so professional and I felt so comfortable. And this is better customer support than I've gotten from individual brands that are on Huckberry, literally. And it just makes me so much more comfortable, but it also makes me want to shop on Huckberry primarily because I feel like I get that extra added layer of security, a peace of mind. If something goes wrong, they're there to help, and they do it so quickly. And again, like I said, they're not paying me to say this. They don't know who I am. I don't know anybody there, but I'm almost more glad that it happened because now you guys can see that Huckberry actually really does step up to the plate, and very quickly at that. So I don't know if any of you guys at Huckberry are watching, but thank you so much everyone at Huckberry for the professional experience, for the peace of mind, and just the overall quick and easy customer support. When that new 316 shirt comes in, I'm definitely gonna do that review. And again, thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I'm sorry about the audio of the clips of me actually opening the package. I've never done anything like that before, so I'm still getting used to playing around with the audio. And I truly hope that this video can serve as a sufficient celebration for 500 subscribers, and I'll see you on the next one.